It's your boy
Dashinq
Dash.
with
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Hey, yo, Q. Let me get that. All right, first order is a Taco Bell. It's a $4.50 for 1.1 miles. It says it's ready. Oh, okay, yeah, it is. It is ready. Let me get that. Hey, yo, so, all right. The second order is a Chick-fil-A. $4 for 2.3 miles. Hopefully they don't $4 and $3 me to death. But by the way, my AR went up to 91%. You feel me? Do you feel me? Yo, we got a Starbucks, the terrible order of this challenge. $8.25 for 7 miles. Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? All right, we got a Starbucker, $3.50 for a mile, but they got me $1 to take a picture of the menu, but they ain't got the menu business cards right here. You feel me? Let me get that. You feel me? We right here across the street from the Crumble Cookie and the others. All right, we got an IHOP, $8.50 for 3.5 miles, and we had a 94 AR. We pushing up every order, so let's keep grabbing these good orders from these peak areas, these good areas. And you feel me? We'll be at 99 today. Wrong address. I had to bring it to a new spot. They said they upped my tip. Let's see what it is. All right, we got a Panera at $8.50. At $8.50. Well, no, it's at $7.50 plus. One of those, about 2.3 miles. So let's grab this. All right, we got a Panera right there. I had to unassign one of them. It was a stacked order, but it's at the courthouse, so I can't record. All right, man, I got a terrible ass order. B-dubs, $9.25 for 7.8 miles. The A won't give me a break. All right, we got a Chick-fil-A, a $5 for 1.7 miles after that terrible order I just had, and it's not ready, so. All right, we got a Doordash delivery. All right, y'all, we got a Fat Guys burger, $9 for 4.7 miles. Hey, man, it's been up and down today. It ain't been nothing extravagant, but still at 94 and stuck. I don't know how many orders I'm doing through this 100 batch, but we getting close. Let's keep pushing. How you doing? Not bad. All right, how it going? You got it? Yep. Man, oh man, y'all, they making it tough on me, man. I'm steady getting hit. $5.50s, $4, and non-tipper, man. They hitting me, but we just pushing on ahead. I'm at 94 still. I ain't moved. I completed, like, I'm at that point where I completed enough orders. I'm probably at 80. It'd be like probably a few more. I got to do more orders because it ain't moved in like fucking 6-7 orders. So. Hey, let's get this Chipotle right here. I got a Chipotle order, $5.50 for 3.7 miles. Another one. All right, let's grab the Chipotle order real quick, drop it off, and try to get some more. I got this order for Bravo burritos. It's a $6.50 for 4.5 miles. So. Alright, I got a $6 for 1.9 mile Walgreens order. We get a couple more, we done. AR ain't moving, no stats moving. We had 80 orders out of 100, so let's grab this. Thank you. Heavy ass B-Dubs order. Fucking $3 for 2.5 miles, man. We get one more order. This probably potentially the last one. It's the last order, non-tipper, $2.50 for 2.5 miles. And Papa John's pizza. How you doing? I got a Doordash.